Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 73 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this iconic 1/3 scale partwork, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building along with me. Yes, look at it. Right, let's have a quick scoot through this week's magazine. Bullets, Wheels and Tools. You've then got a cyborg in parts there. Gives you the details on the leg assembly, some of the vehicles used, what the weapons did. This is the left arm section we're working on today. We got the lower left forearm and a side cover to go on. So we want our arm assembly from the previous issue. So we're going to be closing off on here and then sliding the forearm sleeve up so that we've now got this ready for when the wrist and the hand starts getting done. This is where it's going on our RoboCops. And then obviously over the next few issues we're going to be assembling this hand. How to classify robots became heterogeneous and difficult to categorise. Yes, folks. Classes of robots according to their functions. Quantum teleportation. Now there's a thought, folks, eh? Scary, isn't it, how the technologies evolve. Entangled states of future technologies, and they're trying to legislate already as to what happens with all the AI and stuff like that. Because we're going down the road of the Terminator films, aren't we? With cyberdyne systems where technology's taken over. So they're trying to set laws and police it already because it's getting quite scary, isn't it? So anyway, let's go back, grab our bits and pieces, and we'll get this forearm put together for you. So this is what we did in the last issue. Looking rather sturdy. Functions as it should. It moves. Forearm wrist section does what it needs to. So I'm happy with that. What we then got today is we got this piece that will go over it, as well as this little cover. Okay. So the little cover itself is a press fit. You've got one large hole, one small. So look at the pegs. You can see how they line up. So just line them up with the holes. And then just press that home, just like so. And that closes off that little section. And then we're literally just getting this, sliding it up over that ball, and we're going to press this into place. I just want to make sure I orientate it the right way round, which is that way by the look of it. Yeah. So you've got this cut out here. It's the front section, okay? So that goes that way round. That's what it's telling me. So that's what we're going to do. Just like that. Okay. And then slide that fully up into situ. Just like so. And that will now sit on there ready for when we attach our hand. Okay. So looking at that with your bicep, you just want this semicircle. Horseshoe shape facing towards the front. Okay. You might need to just adjust your pivot rod and then try and line your lines up as best you can. And that is now ready for when we start putting the wrist together, folks. Okay. So we'll leave that there for today. That's what we've got. So don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourselves and build one of these along with me, follow the link to the Fanhome website all the way along there. Beep. Clickable link below in the description, folks, and take out a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful partwork. You will not be disappointed. In the meantime, to help me out, click little fester in the corner there and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me grow the channel and I massively appreciate it. Whilst you're there, give the bell a ring, select all. That way you'll be notified of future builds, models, etc. In the meantime, thanks so much for keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you next time. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.